Hello techies. Welcome to uDemand. Before we get started with the video, let's discuss uDemand. uDemand is a real-time, integrated software training platform that helps users acquire marketable skills in order to succeed in today's global economy. In this video, we are going to discuss job profiles. Job profiles are the positions and occupations in the workplace are built on job profiles. Job profiles allow you to explain broad job or position characteristics as well as identify unique talents, training, or other qualification. A job profile can be applied to various positions or employees. It can have a one-to-one relationship with a job, such as CEO, or a one-to-many relationship with a position, such as executive assistant. The only needed fields for creating a job profile are the job profile name, job code, and effective date. All additional variables contain data that your firm may wish to monitor in the system for various weekday activities and reports. The customer defines values such as management level and job categorization, which are then imported into Workday as part of the implementation. A job profile definition consists of several fields. Job profile name required. Job title default. Restrict to country. Management level. Job level. Job classification. Job family. Company insider type. Qualification. Knowledge, skills, experience. Certification, etc. Union membership. Work shift required. Job code required. Include job code in name, checkbox. Job exempt or non-exempt. Job category, direct or indirect labor. Pay rate type. Referral payment palm. Compensation grades and rules. Questionnaires. Matrices, difficult to fill or critical job. Job description. Additional job description. Job profiles and localization. Some of the above-mentioned fields allow you to insert country-specific information. When you use a job profile with country-specific values to staff a job or position, Workday identifies the default nation to apply to the employee based on the principal business address and country of the location entered during the staffing update. Job profiles and compensation grades. Job profiles and compensation grades may have a one-to-one connection. When establishing a job profile, you may apply a compensation grade or grade profile directly to the job profile using the compensation grade and compensation grade profile fields. The fields under Impacted Eligibility Criteria list eligibility rules that involve the job profile. This allows you to examine the regulations and determine whether any adjustments should be made. Auto-generate job codes. You can now arrange the job code field to auto-populate when creating a job profile, and you can define the job code format depending on a set of rules and criteria. The job code can still be properly recorded, which overrides the auto-generated code. This must be enabled in your tenant by configuring the ID definition for job code, which can be found in the ID sequence generator section of Edit Tenant Setup HCM. If the ID sequence generator for job code is enabled, the job code does not need to be entered manually, and therefore the red asterisk indicating that it is a necessary field is eliminated. When you save the page, the system will produce the job code. Union membership. Workday allows you to impose union limits on job profiles and build business process condition rules based on these requirements. Using union-eligible occupations, you may identify jobs that are available based on union membership requirements of required, optionally allowed, or not allowed. More broadly, when specified in the tenant, the union fields will appear in the following areas. Perspective on position. Job opening profiles in detail report. Job profiles, union profiles and reports. Positional constraints report on union profile. Management level hierarchy. You, the client, determine many of the values that may be selected in the job profile. Job categories, job levels, corporate insider types, and management levels, for example, are established and then put into Workday as part of a deployment. A client may define the hierarchy of management levels such as manager, vice president, and so on using the management level hierarchy. Management levels can be utilized for reporting as well as the development of condition rules, business process workflow, and eligibility rules. Differentiating job profiles, job families and job family groups. Job family groups can be used as an eligibility criterion. Add a new job profile to the job family. Add a new job family to the job family group. Add a new job family group as a comparison value to the eligibility criteria. Job family can be used as an eligibility requirement. Add new job profiles to job family. Add a new job family to the eligibility criteria as a comparison value. Job profiles can be used as a qualification condition. As a comparison value, new job profiles must be added to the eligibility criteria. Job family groups. Human resources. Job family. HRIS. Benefits. Job profile. HRIS specialist. HRIS analyst. Benefits analyst. Positions. HRIS Specialist 1. HRIS Analyst 1. HRIS Analyst 2. Benefits Analyst 1. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel uDemand so that you may be alerted of future videos.